ayibaje ngwe Debe nke mbanga confess ninka girota hazaza kundeto no nakumva mchomesho gakama mzee yako itakama ni nkuri hata kintu ubuye ame wajangwa maizo kagashuka ni nkahehe washikira maizo
Aina kaite warukutegura twaturakuna na
nkahi girote
akitandikira kagarama bakabisha kunu
bakashaka maizo
Then twahirize kwanjura abantu Christmas yatahama indindi nemotoka ziratandikira gukora on 14th January hakija emotoka yatandikira yakora bush clearing yatandikira kutofoma hosiyamo yakora bush clearing then twatunga okuyombo mbantu ngo kimotoka kachizire kikashara ebintu kikasiga cyabishiko muntu ochezitu kikagenda ongondo kwabo ngondo kashitagarikire gukora ki. Then we inquired, I tried to inquire from the engineer who was responsible for our road. Engineer Kanjarati.
Who is the engineer?
Do you remember the name?
He's Engineer Moses. I saw him around.
Kashima Boret.
Kubanza bayetisa baza kwemera bakebe mbere y'ibintu by'ukugamo bakagumana batusase bankitwa abantu batwereza nk'ibintu kimega government mukatwe ibintu bakareka gumana batujyaje bakabitweretera mu businje bakebembera n'amazima bwene batari kutujyaje.
So
this morning what did you do? This morning what did you do? Did you wait for us or you rushed to Mbarara?
We have the DPC. Okay. Let's proceed. Where else are we going there?
unakitegede natukendereza mbaba baze